Welcome, Pinterest enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the updated process of logging into Pinterest. Whether you're returning to discover inspiration or managing your business profile, accessing your account is simple. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device or go to pinterest.com on your computer. The app icon is red and white. Next, you'll see the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your email address in the provided field. Make sure you enter the email you used when you signed up. Then, type your password in the next field. If you've saved your credentials on your device, this step might be quicker. Once you've entered your email and password, tap the Login button. And just like that, you're in. Now, what if you can't remember your password? Don't worry. On the login screen, there's a Forgot Your Password link. Tap that, and Pinterest will guide you through the process of resetting it. You'll need to enter your email, name, or username. Then, Pinterest will send a reset email to the address associated with your account. If you prefer a password-free login, you can also log in through Facebook or Google. If you choose this option, make sure you're already logged into your Facebook or Google account on your device. Then, simply tap the corresponding button and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore your profile. You can edit your profile to add a photo, a username, and details about yourself. If you use the same photo and username across multiple social platforms, it will be easier for friends to find you. Claiming your website can be helpful if you want to drive traffic to a blog or website. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to explore all that Pinterest has to offer. Whether you're seeking inspiration, planning your next project, or managing your business account, have fun pinning.